7 inventions that will change the world. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the future with 7 inventions that are straight out of science fiction, but trust me, this is real. We're talking revolutionary prosthetics, mind-blowing robotics, and technology that could reshape how we live, work, and even heal. These aren't just incremental upgrades. These are game changers. We're talking about the kind of tech that makes you rethink what's possible. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's jump right into the future. All right, let's kick things off with something that's both incredibly practical and seriously impressive, the TASKA hand. This isn't just any prosthetic, it's a game changer in the world of assistive technology. Now, prosthetics have come a long way, but this thing is on another level. Imagine the leap from the first wheel to a modern car. That's the kind of advancement we're talking about here. We're talking 14 different grip patterns, individual finger control, and a level of precision that makes it feel almost like the real thing. With enough dexterity to handle everyday tasks with ease, the TASKA hand can tie shoelaces, use a smartphone, and even handle delicate objects without breaking a sweat. But here's where it gets really cool. The TASKA hand is totally waterproof. Yes, you heard that right. You can submerge it in water, get it wet, and it will still function perfectly. It's built to withstand the elements, so you don't have to worry about babying it. Whether it's rain, shine, or even snow, this prosthetic is designed to keep up with your lifestyle. Rain, shine, or even washing the dishes, this prosthetic is ready to roll. Imagine the freedom of not having to remove your prosthetic every time you need to wash your hands or do the dishes. And the best part, it's designed to feel natural and intuitive. The TASKA hand is not just about functionality, it's about seamlessly integrating into your daily life. The control system picks up on subtle muscle movements, so it's like an extension of yourself. It responds to your muscle signals, making it incredibly user-friendly. No clunky controls, no complicated setups, just pure functionality. It's designed to be as intuitive as possible so you can focus on living your life. Next up, we're stepping into the world of exoskeletons with the WalkON suit F1. This isn't just some sci-fi prop, this is a real-deal wearable robot designed to help people with paraplegia or disabilities walk again. Imagine the freedom of being able to stand up, walk around, and even navigate stairs, all with the support of this incredible device. The WalkON suit F1 uses a combination of sensors, actuators, and AI to provide a natural and intuitive walking experience. It's like having a second chance at mobility. And the impact on people's lives is nothing short of transformative. We're talking about regaining independence, participating in activities they never thought possible, and just experiencing the world in a whole new way. Okay, get ready to have your mind blown, because we're about to enter the world of humanoid robots with the Engineai SE01. This thing is straight out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's real and it's spectacular. The SE01 isn't just about looks though, it's packing some serious intelligence under the hood. We're talking advanced AI, machine learning capabilities, and the ability to interact with its environment in incredibly sophisticated ways. Think about the possibilities here, from assisting with complex tasks in manufacturing and healthcare, to providing companionship and support in homes. The SE01 has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. Chapter 4. LEITNER ConnX. Reimagining urban transportation. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about the future of transportation with the LEITNER ConnX. This innovative system is poised to redefine how we think about urban mobility. This isn't your typical cable car system. This is a revolutionary approach to urban mobility that combines the best of ropeways and traditional transit systems. Imagine the efficiency of a ropeway system, but with the flexibility and convenience of a modern transit network. Imagine a network of sleek, modern cabins gliding silently above the city's streets, whisking passengers to their destinations with speed and efficiency. These cabins are designed with the latest technology to ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, making your daily commute not just bearable, but enjoyable. That's the vision behind the ConnX, and it's a game changer for congested urban environments. In cities where traffic congestion is a daily nightmare, the ConnX offers a breath of fresh air, literally and figuratively. By moving transportation above ground, it frees up road space and reduces pollution. But here's where it gets really interesting. The ConnX is designed to seamlessly integrate with existing transportation infrastructure. This means it can be implemented without the need for extensive and disruptive construction projects. It can work in harmony with buses, trains, and other forms of public transit, creating a cohesive and efficient transportation network. So you could have cabins detaching from the main line and switching to a separate track, providing a level of flexibility and customization that's unheard of in traditional transit systems. This modular approach allows for dynamic route adjustments based on real-time demand, ensuring that passengers get to their destinations as quickly and efficiently as possible. Imagine the convenience of stepping into a cabin that takes you directly to your destination without the hassle of multiple transfers. The ConnX system is designed to make urban commuting not just faster, but also more pleasant and stress-free. It's a vision of the future where transportation is not just a necessity, but a seamless part of daily life. Chapter 5, Even Reality's G1. These ain't your average glasses. All right, let's talk augmented reality, but not just any AR. We're talking about the Even Reality's G1. This is the cutting edge of AR technology designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily life. These aren't your clunky, awkward AR glasses of the past. These are sleek, stylish, and designed to be worn comfortably all day long. Imagine a pair of glasses that not only look good, but also feel like a natural extension of yourself. But the real magic happens when you put them on. The moment you slip these glasses on, you're transported into a world where the digital and physical realms merge effortlessly. The G1 overlays digital information onto your real-world view, creating a seamless blend of the physical and digital. Whether you're navigating a new city or exploring your own neighborhood, the G1 enhances your experience in ways you never thought possible. Imagine walking down the street and having directions appear right in front of you, guiding you to your destination with ease. No more fumbling with your phone or getting lost in unfamiliar places, or looking at a building and seeing its history unfold before your eyes. The G1 brings the past to life, providing context and stories that enrich your understanding of the world around you. And it's not just about information. The G1 can also enhance your social interactions. Imagine being at a party and instantly knowing the names and interests of the people around you, making it easier to connect and engage. Imagine seeing real-time translations during a conversation with someone who speaks a different language. The G1 breaks down language barriers, allowing for seamless communication and understanding, or having your social media feeds pop up discreetly in your peripheral vision. Stay connected without being distracted, keeping you in the moment while still being informed. The Even Realities. G1 isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer. Whether for work, play, or socializing, these glasses are designed to enhance every aspect of your life. Welcome to the future of augmented reality. Chapter 6, Expandable Touchdown from Space Travel to Your Living Room. Get ready for this one because it's a wild one. The Expandable Touchdown. This revolutionary technology allows surfaces to expand and contract on demand, and the potential applications are mind-blowing. Imagine spacecraft that can adjust their shape and size during flight, or inflatable habitats that can be deployed on other planets. The Expandable Touchdown could make space exploration more efficient, adaptable, and affordable. But it's not just about space. This technology has the potential to transform everyday life as well. Imagine furniture that can change shape and size to fit your needs, or walls that can expand or contract to create new rooms or spaces. LG Healing Me. The future of wellness is here. Finally, let's wrap things up with something that's all about well-being. The LG Healing Me. This isn't your typical wellness device. This is a cutting-edge piece of technology that takes a holistic approach to health and wellness. Imagine a device that combines the latest in sensor technology, biofeedback mechanisms, and therapeutic interventions to promote both physical and mental well-being. That's the LG Healing Me, and it's poised to revolutionize how we approach healthcare. From personalized stress management programs to targeted pain relief therapies, the Healing Me empowers individuals to take control of their health and well-being like never before. It's like having a personal wellness coach right at your fingertips. And there you have it, 7 incredible inventions that are set to change the world. From revolutionary prosthetics and mind-blowing robotics to groundbreaking transportation systems and wellness devices, the future is looking incredibly exciting. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.